The bond set for marriage is not perfect without conflicts. It is challenged by different circumstances that surround not just the direct couple but also their family, the in-laws. In most cases, these challenges can bring unusual feeling of pain that science cannot even explain. Only then, habuhab or sabusab is believed to be the cure for this. They say conflict can cause wada dinaamisan, or that there is a member that carries the pain brought by misunderstanding between the party, may it be the couple or the in-laws. The pain of the party cannot be explained by science. Hence, the customary settlement between the parties should be done. This is the habuhab. It is a sacred ceremony conducted with three symbolic elements prepared in three rites. One, three jars of tapoy or rice wine is prepared by the parties. One jar of tapoy shall be shared by the conflicting party, of which one they share a cup of tapoy. It signifies their commitment to settlement. The second jar is shared by the relatives or the in-laws, which signifies their agreement to the settlement. And the third jar is shared by the community who accepts and witness that the settlement of the party was carried in a sacred moment, thus sealing the agreement. After the sharing of the tapoy, a pig is butchered for the feast. It will then be offered to God and to the members of the family who left ahead physically. Once the prayer by the elder is done, the gongs will be played and the dancing ceremony will start. The first play of the takik will let the conflicting parties to dance with the gongs. They will take a full round of dance until the elder will call for ending prayer, the basabas. The second round of takik will allow the family of both parties to dance. These specifically are their grandparents or in-laws who left ahead. In most cases, there are no dancers in this moment, hence imagining that there are parties dancing. It will end only when another basabas is burst. The third round of takik is a community dance. Any member of the community will dance and again will end with the basabas. Three elements: the tapoy, the pig, and the takik. This customary settlement does not define how we value the support of the community in the cause for conflict resolution. Rather, it allows us to understand that sharing cups of tapoy, dining with a meal, and dance with the flow of life is cure for our endless pains. This is our habuhab. Pastor 4, Banao and Lagawa.
Tadi ya ilang alit na ayaw nga. No pala. Apa
Sa pusat, Sabot-sabot na kuhan na si Bangabaw. Kamapatulog di ibaw na. Bumaknang na si Mabangaw. Hala, tiba nyo sa tapayan na ta, manginong tao. Nakapay alanan utik ta, imikon ta, lagitan. Ipi kayo tanggang saka, manayang ang siksawa.
Basa-basa sa tayang ay sinasama, mapagtunit ng malas na siyertinan, mawada, nang kayo tayo maganak si babae at lalaki.
Hala, ituloy mga saka, manayang ang manapalayan.
Pasabasa ni pasantaya ni sila palayan ni neta. Watag mo dalay ko ang drama. Nunod neta siyawan natin. At tangatun di alalak si Mabangon si nangitusinan na. Ulus na ko yung gogo. Ayun!
Ituloy yung mga sa, patayawan ta ko yung mga napapunad na baon. pay nanayaw. Masakang kahit kabunyan gaya ta nanayat ni mamagal ni mabangon. Kaya dalat ni somwek tita renan matanga ni bawang panay. Aye!